Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about making charts in Microsoft Excel, Part 1. Part 1, Making a bar chart and line chart. First, we begin with bar chart. Bar chart is widely used in statistics and probability. It uses rectangles to represent quantity levels, each of different height. Bar charts can be either plotted horizontally or vertically. To make a bar chart, first step, you have to create a table. Second step, select the entire columns, excluding the header. Third step, go to the Insert section and choose either column or bar. You could do this in two ways. In column, it is plotted vertically and is having various styles. And in bar, it is plotted horizontally with same styles. And fourth step, you have a choice to select any one of them, then your column and bar charts have been ready to display on the screen. Line chart, on the other hand, also called a polygon chart. It shows information connecting their line segments. Line charts also show area under the curve like in terms of physics. The steps are same just as before we did. In the Insert section, choose line, it will show its styles just like we did with bar chart. Then you have a choice to select any one of them, and is ready to display line chart on the screen. So, that's what the difference we have obtained between bar and line chart. Hence we have learned two types of chart in this video. Like, comment, and subscribe now.